Get it together. Get it together.
Everything meant what happened forever. I wish you happiness, never do this again. But I fell in love with a dancer. I don't want to be here without your love tonight. Whatever with you.
Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my braces cleaning routine for you guys because I want to start off the new year with clean teeth, clean vibes, clean me, clean everything. So if you guys want to see how I clean my braces and maintain my braces, then make sure you keep watching.
Okay, so first I'm starting off with my Oral-B Genius Bluetooth toothbrush, and I really enjoy this toothbrush because it has different settings. So say for instance, you just got your braces tightened and your teeth are bothering you, you can use the gentle setting, and then there's also different settings as far as gentleness or how harder the vibration could be. Also, this toothbrush has an app that you can use to track what sections you work on when you brush your teeth and how long you stay there, as well as you can change the color of the toothbrush when it lights up. Okay, so now I'm brushing with just a regular toothbrush, and I like to brush with a regular toothbrush as well because I like to focus more on the top and the bottom of my brackets. I find that it's easier to brush on the top and bottom of my brackets and get behind the brackets because the bristles of a regular toothbrush are just a little bit longer, so the bristles will actually go behind the bracket and push the food down or up, however you brush, and get all the stuff that's stuck from behind the braces. So next I'm using these interdental brush cleaners, and the first ones that I actually got from my orthodontist, and I went to Walmart and I got the Equate brand of these, and it's 20 in a pack and they're about $3. So I use these because you never really know what you've left behind in your morning routine whenever you brush your teeth, as well as I take these with me throughout the day to just brush a little bit around my brackets after I eat and whatnot. So next I like to go in with my floss threader and my floss, and I like to go into my teeth and floss. Now as you can see, I still do have some gaps in my teeth that aren't closed up yet, so it's easier to go into those with the interdental brush cleaner rather than going in there with the actual floss. So in the spaces that I have that are harder to reach into with the brush cleaner, I like to just go in with my floss. And to top everything off, I'm just going in with this Reach Essentials Anti-Plaque mouthwash.
Babes, well that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up as well as comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can get a notification every time that I post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye babes.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, they number 4, Saint Laurent feet, put it on toes.